Hey Pam, I just wanted to show you really quickly what we could set up in Learnzillion for your student at Fowler. So what I've done, and it only took about 20 minutes, so this is something we could get rolling really quickly, is I set up a quick classroom within my teacher account, and then I created a test student account that we could use, and I've assigned some lessons. So what it would look like for a student is they would log in. Here I've gone ahead and found some fractions lessons that are already built in within Learnzillion. I've created playlists and quizzes. When I say created, I mean found, because I didn't create these were already loaded. And so what the student would do is they see this list of assignments that they have to do. They click right here for the playlist, and they've got a lesson that they can watch, and these are really well Common Core aligned, much better than other places like Khan Academy. There's an additional video that's going to show some practice problems. If necessary, there's the lesson in Spanish, and then if a student wanted to practice, they can click this button right here, and there's going to be some sample items that they can do. Let's see, 6/7 is the right answer. And they can get immediate feedback on their work as well. It's going to score it, it's going to tell them they've got it right, and give them an option to do some more questions or to finish practicing. They can then move on to the next lesson in the sequence. Can watch the same thing. They've got a practice video, they've got practice. Watch the third one. Click play, practice video, more practice. And when they're all done, they're going to go right back to their classes. And so when they click on these lessons again, it's going to show that this playlist is completed and they're ready to take a quiz. Another thing to notice is that it's not very good at tracking whether a student actually watched the whole video, so you're going to have to do some management and some monitoring. But there's a quiz right here. You can go in and take it. It's odd formatting. I'm just going to click answer so you can see what it looks like. It's going to submit that. And so now I'm going to log out as the student, and I'm going to log back in as a teacher so you can see that side of it. The thing I really like is that we've got this login using Google, so teachers don't have to sign up for an account. It's already ready. I'm going to come up here to My Classes, and I'm going to look at this Fowler preview. And notice that I've got this student right here. This is the student I was working with, and we've got one of the 3 assignments completed. I can look at the gradebook for those quizzes, and so here I've got an 80%, and that was student 1 before, and if you wanted to assign the same thing to multiple students, we could see all that information here too, and here's the quiz that I haven't taken yet. So that's just a quick look at what we can do with this with Learnzillion. Again, it is really quick and really easy to set up, so if we can set up a time as soon as possible to talk about your student at Fowler, maybe with whoever's going to monitor that case. The other interesting thing you could do is if you wanted to create a Fowler special ed account, we could probably do that, and that way you could create some different classes where maybe the team leader at a school could help to manage that. So yeah, there we go.